If you're on my channel, you know I'm always doing little experiments. And I'm the only one cooking pasta in a half liter of water. 17.8, 17.7. And that's in the ounces mode. And we now take this and bring it to a boil. It's about 4 minutes. Bubbles just started forming. And it's now down to 17.1. We got our Colavita Radiators. We like radiators because our sauce is so thick. Oh, our Samo sauce. This ain't any sauce. If you're on my channel, you know this is a diary. So I measure some numbers. Right now it says 33.4. Now I want to cover it, put it back on the fire, and cook it up al dente. Alright, when it starts to bubble, I wasn't paying attention and it started going a little over. I already stirred it once. Just let it sit there. 32 ounces. Let it sit there, and then I think I need a little bit more water to make it al dente, so I'm just going to let it finish absorbing the rest of the juices, and I'm going to wait about 3-4 minutes. It's been more than 10 minutes. Cool down a little bit. So we're looking at 31 ounces of pasta. Still a little raw, some of them, but we're going to put some sauce in here and cook it, finish cooking it in the sauce. So we're good to go. There it is. And we can see some of them. Would you want to eat that right there? Not really. But we're going to put sauce and finish cooking it off. So I guess the number would be, if we were going to keep cooking it, we're at 31 ounces. 35, 36 if I'd used that much little bit more water. That would have made it perfect. Let's try one that looks like it's fully done. That one will do. Perfect. Yummy.